Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to record the screen of your phone, tablet. It can be anything, but it has to be Android. Go ahead and write Mobizen, and then download the first app. Download the first app, and then download another one. Download this one too, and then when you download both apps. When you download those two apps, go ahead and open Mobizen. It's gonna launch the app. It's gonna tell you to log in and all the stuff. Just follow all the instructions and you can do it right away. So guys, that's it for today's video. Bye. And if we can hit 1,000 subscribers and we can hit 30 likes, I'll start a series in Minecraft where I'll do lots of cool things. So bye guys.